Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liana if you're new, and today I'm going to be doing these clear glittery polygel nails with mermaid vibes. So if you've seen my nail videos before, you know the drill. I've trimmed and prepped my nails off camera, slathered on sunscreen, and now I'm putting on base coat. After that's done, I'll take my dual form and spread out the gel as usual. I make sure to keep the amount of gel relatively thin around the edges and keep most of the product in the center. It's really important to not get any bubbles when you're doing these because trapping moisture between the polygel and your fingernail is not good. When it comes time for me to apply the glitters, I'll take my brush, and since it's wet with rubbing alcohol, I'm able to just pick up that glitter, and I was trying to go for an ombre effect, but I ended up not bringing the glitters down as much as I should have, and it wasn't much of an ombre, so if you do this, I recommend applying the glitters closer to the cuticle part than I did. Then after that, I just press it on and cure. One thing that has been really helpful for me is kind of holding the nail down when it's curing, and the thing about polygel is that it hardens like almost instantly, so it's really important that it's positioned correctly before you go under the lamp. After you take out the nail, just pinch the sides of the dual form and it comes right off, and rinse and repeat for the other fingernails. When they're all done, I'll file them down, and don't be afraid to file on top of the nail either because we're putting on a top coat anyway, so don't worry about losing that shine because you can bring it right back. At this point, I realized that some of my nails were extra fat underneath, so I went in with my drill to try to smooth things out, but that just took away some of the glitters, and here's where I realized that maybe dual forms weren't the best way to approach this, and I could have used tips instead, and that would have made for much easier placement of the glitters. But I was already almost done, so I barreled through, and what I did for some of the nails that were a little more sparse was put on base coat on the underside, and use that as kind of a glue for some more glitters, and then I put on a little bit of polygel on top of those glitters to kind of seal them in. Definitely not the best method. I'll make another video using polygel with nail tips, and hopefully that goes a little bit better. These turned out okay in the end. Even if I didn't cut my cuticles, I like putting on cuticle oil because it feels nice and makes them look shiny and makes me feel fancy. And this is the final result. And that is it for this video. As always, everything I used is linked in the description box below in case you want to get anything for yourself. Please leave me any suggestions for designs that you think I should try next, and let me know what you thought of these nails. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!